This farmer did everything right. He compared horsepower, he checked the price, he bought the recommended machine. 3 months later, the tiller broke down. Right in the middle of planting season. The nearest service center was 80 kilometers away. The spare part took 3 weeks to arrive. He lost a full crop cycle. The cheapest machine isn't always the cheapest to own. Most farmers compare power tillers by 2 numbers, horsepower and price. That's not wrong, but it's dangerously incomplete. Because what happens in year 2, year 3, year 5? Fuel bills, repair costs, spare parts, resale value. These numbers can cost you more than the machine itself. Today I've studied India's most popular power tillers, and I'll show you which one gives the best value over a lifetime, not just at the showroom. Stay till the end, because one machine here consumes almost 4 times more fuel than the most efficient model. Over 500 hours, that's tens of thousands of rupees gone. You'll want to know which one. Walk into any tiller showroom. Ask the farmer beside you what he's comparing. HP and price, every time. That's not his fault. That's what the industry trained him to think about. But smart buyers check 5 different things. Fuel consumption per hour, repair frequency and cost, spare parts availability, service network reach, and resale value after 5 years. These 5 factors determine your total cost of ownership, and that number can be 2 to 3 times the sticker price. So let's break it down, brand by brand. Fuel is your biggest ongoing cost. Every hour you run a tiller, you're burning money. Here are the most fuel-efficient models ranked. Number 1. Shrachi Virat. Approximately 1.1 to 1.2 liters per hour. Most efficient on this list. Number 2. Greaves Agri Power Plus. Around 1.2 to 1.5 liters per hour. Number 3. Kamco KMB 200DI. Around 1.5 liters per hour. Now, here's what shocks most buyers. Some models on this list burn nearly double what the Shrachi uses in the same hour. Across 500 working hours, you're looking at 40 to 50,000 rupees extra just in fuel. But fuel alone doesn't decide the best tiller, because a machine that saves fuel but breaks down every season is saving you nothing. I asked one question to farmers, dealers, and mechanics across India. Which power tiller do you trust most for the long run? VST Shakti 135DI Ultra. Almost every single person said the same name. Why? Rugged engine built for Indian conditions. Massive service network. Dealers in almost every district. Spare parts always in stock. And decades of farmer trust behind it. Reliability isn't glamorous, but when your tiller breaks down during paddy transplanting season, reliability is everything. Kirloskar Mega T15, 15 horsepower, powerful engine, heavy-duty gearbox, excellent in both wet paddy and dry land. It costs more upfront, but for commercial use, it earns that money back fast. Now, for the buyer who thinks long-term, not just today. Kubota PEM 140DI, Japanese engineering. Excellent fuel efficiency, strong durability, runs for years with minimal servicing. But the real advantage most people miss? Resale value. Kubota holds its value better than almost any other tiller brand in India. When you upgrade after 7 or 8 years, you recover far more of your money. Costs more upfront. But over 10 years, it may actually be the cheapest option you can buy. Now the cost nobody puts in the brochure. What happens when your tiller breaks down during planting season? Not next month. During that critical 10-day window when every single hour matters. The answer depends entirely on one thing, the service network. Strong networks, VST, Kirloskar, Kubota, Greaves. These brands have dealers across India. You're covered almost anywhere. Weaker networks. Kamco is strong in Kerala but limited nationally. Shrachi has limited service depth. Sonalika is improving but uneven. Before you buy any power tiller, do this one thing. Call the brand's helpline. Pretend you have a breakdown. See how fast they respond. That answer tells you more than any spec sheet ever will. Here's what almost no agriculture channel ever talks about: resale value. When you sell your tiller, you'll feel the full weight of your buying decision. Kubota, highest resale, holds value very well. VST, strong used market demand. Kirloskar, good, driven by commercial buyers. Kamco and Shrachi, lowest resale nationally. Simple maths. If Kubota sells for 80,000 after 7 years and Shrachi sells for 35,000, that 45,000 gap is part of your real total cost. Suddenly, the cheap option doesn't look so cheap. So, after all of that, here's the honest answer. Best overall, VST Shakti 135 Di Ultra. Best balance of reliability, fuel economy, service network and resale. For most Indian farmers, this is the safest long-term buy. Best premium, Kubota PEM 140 Di. For farmers thinking 10 years ahead, highest resale, excellent durability, worth the extra investment. Best heavy-duty, Kirloskar Mega T15. For large farms and commercial hiring, power and reliability for high-intensity work. Best budget fuel saver, Shrachi Virat. For small farms where fuel cost is the top priority. Best efficiency. Just go in with eyes open on service availability. Remember what I said at the very start? One machine on this list consumes almost 4 times more fuel than the most efficient model. Across 500 hours, that difference alone is 40 to 60,000 rupees. That's why the cheapest machine isn't always the cheapest to own. Now you know what to ask. Now you know what to compare. Share this with any farmer about to buy a power tiller. One share could save them lakhs over a lifetime. And if you want a full rupee cost breakdown for every brand, comment below, and that's the next video.